What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by my channel. I guess it's our channel because you guys suggest video ideas and then I do those video ideas. If you didn't mind hitting a like on the video, possibly subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you very much for, checking this stuff out. I really do appreciate you coming by. So a gentleman has been reaching out recently and asking about gearing. Now, I have done a gearing video before, but it's somewhere down the list. And I thought, you know what? This would make a great quick video because, sometimes you just need refreshers or sometimes it gets lost, in the list of videos I've done. You can always type in, Kart 6T3 and whatever topic you're looking for. And hopefully I tagged it correctly so that will bring that up in your YouTube search. But I wrote some stuff down here on the board as a quick reference just to give you an idea of what you're doing with gearing, and we can go over this now. So maybe we'll start with the bottom here. One tooth equals 200 RPM. So if you are, you have a target RPM for whatever engine it is, 4,500, 5,500, 6,500, whatever gearing it is. So if you have that gearing on there, if you remove one tooth from the rear gear, that is going to change that RPM. It's going to drop that RPM 200 RPM. Okay, pretty easy. Now, in comparison, what we have labeled up here, a driver on your clutch. If you change one tooth driver on your clutch, that is worth 3 teeth on the rear gear. So essentially, I just mentioned the RPM change. If you were to go up a driver, that is going to drop your RPM 600 RPM. So I wrote this down real quick here just as more of an easy explanation. 1357, okay, I'm just taking a random gear ratio here. If you were to change the driver to a 14, to have the equal ratio here, you need to change your rear gear to a 54. So this is 3 teeth different. Obviously, this is here. So if you were to do that, if you were just to change the driver here, it's different there. So what else we got here? Less gear equals more mile per hour equals less RPM. So if you need to burst out of the corner, you're going to add teeth on the rear. If you want to gain more mile an hour at the end of the straightaway, if you want more straightaway speed, so you're going to lug the engine a little bit more, you're going to reduce the amount of gear you have in it. So you're going to gain that. Now, I think, reducing gear is optimal for, really getting that charge down the straightaway. You're going to build fantastic mile an hour at the end of the straightaway. The key to that is keeping your corner speed up as to not kill all that RPM in your engine. Because if you, say you take some teeth off, say you, take off the 3 teeth and you make it a 54 rear, well, what you gain in there, at the end of the straightaway is going to be fantastic. But if you go into the corner and slam on your brakes and go to jump back on the gas, not having those extra teeth on the rear gear is going to kill it off the corner. You're not going to have as much jump out of the corner. So it's really a balancing act there. So in the opposite of this, if you have more gear, it's going to have less mile per hour, and then you're going to have more RPM. So that's just it. I didn't want to make this a super, super long video. I did just kind of direct and to the point. Hopefully I'll be racing this weekend here. So shooting this on a Thursday. I dropped a video this morning, and thank you all for who tuned into that video to check that out. But I had to get some stuff done shooting just so I'm ready for Sunday in case I do race. Fingers crossed everything goes okay. Fingers crossed I get all my my racing, my kart set here, and that I'm able to make the trip. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for stopping by. I really hope this is useful. I thought maybe it would be. You can always pause and kind of zoom in for this information. and maybe that'll help you when you're thinking about gearing at the track. But other than that, I will see you later. I'll see you next week for another couple videos, and thank you for stopping by. Later.